saw my life flash before my eyes. How's it going, everybody? Today, we got something I've been waiting for a long time. I've made a lot of excuses why not to get one, mostly the price tag. I did have to make a couple sacrifices to my fleet to get it, but it was worth it, I feel like. Well, we're gonna find out, I guess, if it's worth it. But yeah, here it is. Traxxas Xmaxx. The new belted tire edition, I guess, with Sledgehammer belted tires. They raised the price another $100. Let's see if it's worth it. Let's cut her open. Go to the emergency room after I cut my fingers off. By the way, we got Shorty with us today, and we got Rusty behind the camera at the moment. I was almost rude and forgot you guys.
Typical.
Yep. All about myself.
Sorry for the wind noise, guys. It's pretty windy out here today, so if it is windy, we apologize.
All right.
Does it come with Traxxas link?
No, you have to buy that separately.
Okay. I got you.
But, you know, just like all Traxxas is, it comes with this 1942 classic. We got the top qualifier. Everybody knows this remote, I would think, by now. Ain't gonna do much on that. There's probably 1,000 unboxings of these X-maxes out there, I'm sure. But
I think 2,000, 3,000 maybe. I don't know. Oh, that red though.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that red is beautiful.
Damn. Make a grown man cry. Some would say I'm overcompensating for something. I don't know, but all right. So you obviously got to put the tires on yourself because, you know, packaging and whatnot. You probably saved a lot of money doing it that way. Can't really blame them. Let's get this beast out. All right, right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you guys I'm super fucking stoked. There's decals. It cost me $1,100 and I finally got decals. My $700 max slash, no decals. My $550 regular max, no decals. None of my recent Traxxas purchases have had decals.
Traxxas is stingy on the stickers.
So $1,100 and you can finally get some decals. Wow. Was not expecting you to be so damn good looking.
I think it's wrapped in the bag. You got to take the body off to get the bag off.
Okay.
I've seen a couple other unboxing videos. Oh, was it good for you?
Yes. Yeah, I think I need a towel. Hey, you got a towel?
Yeah, it's got the red shocks and then the red X's and stuff on it, so all kind of ties together.
Yep. All right, you know, you got your typical Traxxas electronics, so if it burns up by the end of this video, I apologize. I'm gonna open this up so you guys can see what comes with this $1,100 investment.
Do you insure something like this, or?
Well, you might need to have some sort of health insurance or liability when you run somebody over with it. All right, you got your typical Traxxas manuals with all your goodies in there, and it's too damn windy to show you everything, but we all have seen those before. See what they say. The decals that I'm super proud of. There ain't many of them, but you know, there's some. That's all.
That's better than none.
Yep. You got your parts book and all that stuff. Yep. You got.
That's the spacers for the battery.
Yep. Nice in there. Got more stoppers and stuff like that. You got your tire tool and a couple hex wrenches if you don't already own some decent tools. And then you got the high-speed gearing.
Uh-oh.
And that's some nice metal gears too.
Yep.
Which, I mean, you're going to have to for something this size.
Right.
So,
It's basically a small vehicle.
that is to be determined. I'm not 100%
I'm not sure what that is either. Mine doesn't have that.
Huh.
Huh.
All right, well, I'll get back to you guys on that one. Probably something that'll end up in the bottom of my toolbox and never be seen again.
Yep.
So this is my very first time actually running an X-maxx. I'm actually a little nervous about this one because it's so damn big, but I'm excited as hell, man. Let's do this. right off the bat?
I mean, you want to do it, you might as well do it.
You don't stay new for long. Oh yeah, I see what you mean by the servo.
Yeah, the servo definitely needs some attention.
It's not likely to baby something. But...
Well, that's not a $300 truck.
Good thing about that classic remote is I can throw it down in the mud. And
That's right.
Shit. Oh yeah, she's got some dirt and some mud.
Still nervous?
Not as much. Getting used to it. Not gonna lie, it's a little slower than I thought it would be, but in a good way. It handles better than I thought it would too.
Yeah.
I think a perfect pass servo or a nice high quality servo, this thing, man.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be my first upgrade in my truck when I start tearing it apart and start upgrading it, is the servo.
Like you can see right there, and this is the shorter of the grass here, but like
They don't want to steer.
Yeah,
unless you turn, unless
you
you're
give
moving.
it some power, we're good, but that's typical ready to run for you.
Yeah, no ready to run comes with a nice servo for sure.
Still a hell of a lot of truck there for 1100.
Yeah.
So Rusty got a hell of a deal on this X-maxx.
Yeah. I couldn't pass it up, guys. So
it's a beautiful X-maxx. It's got the black ghost flames. It's a snap-on.
she's a little dirty now, but
Yeah. Beautiful. And then he did something crazy and decided, why not buy another one today as well?
YOLO.
So we're starting kind of like an X-maxx club, Not really, but
Yeah, not really, but it
kind of just happened. But anyways, let's play tag. All right, so you're running a...
it's a Max 6 Hobby Wing ESC, 120C, 10,000 milliamp Z-Pack battery. Same thing in both trucks as far as batteries. Stock ESC and the red one.
Yep.
This Max 6 and the other one. It's the only thing different.
Well, and I got Sledgehammer, the new belted Sledgehammer tires.
Tire difference,
Those are the older school ones. I don't know if that really make a difference.
Yeah.
I'm honestly not very versed in that, so. But hopefully we can keep them planted enough to... Nice. Ooh, nosedive. Oh, I heard something. Something did not sound good. So we got a crease in the back body already. That's expected. But she's still pretty. Oh, the body broke?
Yeah, a little bit.
Right there. Oh, yeah.
Busted inside.
The truck's still holding strong. Would it be dangerous to throw them on pavement real quick? You know. Get them scuffs in it. Will it? Oh, damn. Tom's got the super buggy. All right, pavement run. See if we scratch the piss out of them and destroy them.
Do some gravel real quick here. Ready?
Watch my eyeballs.
Yeah, right.
Hell yeah. She's so sick.
All right,
So we'll do the 3, 2, 1, go.
Yep.
Watch for rocks. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my God! Let's go. That's weird.
Up.
Pretty good.
Yep. Too much brake.
Yeah.
Well, maybe I'll be putting that speed gear in there after all. All right, so went full speed on the pavement, held the brake for way too long. I don't know if these grippy bastards or what, but the gears are gone. Like gone. So yeah, that was fun. Big trucks, big problems. It happens. They're heavy, they're beefy, but overall, man, I love this purchase. Extremely happy with this purchase. There's nothing like it that I've never did a fifth scale truck before of this size. The biggest truck I think I ever had was probably my Max.
Yeah.
My standard size Max.
Yeah, Max or yeah.
Or maybe
Revo.
one of the old Savages.
Or the Revo, maybe.
But
Revo.
nothing like this, man. This thing's just crazy. A lot of power, a lot of responsibility. You know, breaking stuff, fixing stuff, it's all part of the hobby.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll order some better gears. Maybe we'll do a video on the upgrade parts and go from there. This thing performed awesome. We didn't try that guy yet.
Yeah, we're gonna keep that one nice for now.
Yeah, for now.
We'll see what happens. It might be on Marketplace soon, so keep an eye out for it.
2 hours later. And yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, do a backflip, check out Shorty's channel, check out Rusty's. Go to my channel, check out Rusty. And
or you just like this.
Yeah, you know. So.
You need to get Rusty to make a channel.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I got enough responsibilities in my life.
Right, right. All right.
Yeah, right.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.